Cleaning your pet's ears is an important part of pet hygiene that helps protect them from infection and hearing loss. Unlike humans, dogs have an L-shaped ear canal where water can get trapped and bacteria and yeast can fester. Cats' ears, on the other hand, are attractive to ear mites, which feed on tissue debris and fluids inside the ear canal. You'll know it's time to clean your pet's ears if they're frequently shaking their head, scratching their ears, if you see gunk or discharge, or even if their ears just smell funky. To clean them, you'll need a mild ear cleaner specifically designed for pets, cotton balls, not cotton swabs, a non-slip surface, a towel, treats, and a helper to assist you. Get started by selecting a spot to do the cleaning. Placing a dog's rear end against a wall or in a corner can help keep them from squirming away from you. Cats can be swaddled in a towel to reduce the possibility of them scratching you. While your helper provides gentle restraint, completely fill one of the ear canals with cleaning solution. It may be necessary to lift your dog's ear flap up and out to help open up that L-shaped canal. Next, cover the ear canal and massage at the base of the ear, just below the opening. This will help the cleaning solution soften up any gunk inside. Don't be alarmed if you hear some squishing noises. After 10 to 20 seconds, allow your pet to shake their head, using a towel to contain the ejected cleaning solution. Then use a cotton ball to remove loose debris from the visible part of the ear. Be sure not to go down into the canal. After the ear is finished, repeat these steps for the other ear. Give lots of praise and treats throughout the process to help form a positive association with ear cleanings. If at any point your pet is showing signs of fear, anxiety, or stress, don't force them to continue. Instead, reward them for the progress made and try again on a different day. Not all pets need their ears cleaned regularly. Only clean them when needed, as overcleaning can be harmful. If you find that your pet's ears are painful at all or continue to exhibit symptoms of irritation, or if their ears continue to smell after a thorough cleaning, it might be due to an infection. Contact us to schedule a time to take a closer look.